Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with your phone via Bluetooth. First, make sure both devices are sufficiently charged, ideally above 50%, to avoid interruptions during the pairing process. Next, download the specific companion application for your smartwatch from your phone's App Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on both your phone and your smartwatch to prepare for connection. Now, open the companion app you just downloaded on your phone. The app will guide you through the process of adding a new device. Look for an option like Add Device or Pair New Watch. Once prompted, select your specific smartwatch model from the list of available Bluetooth devices that appears on your phone's screen. This step usually takes only a few seconds. After selecting your watch, a pairing code will often appear on both your phone and smartwatch. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on both devices. Next, the app will request various permissions, such as access to notifications or location. Grant these for optimal performance. Finally, complete any initial setup, like creating a user profile or setting preferences. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and smartwatch can often resolve connection problems. Always keep your devices within a close proximity, ideally within 10 meters, to maintain a stable Bluetooth signal. Regularly updating your phone's operating system and the smartwatch's companion app ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.